Hey guys, it's back with Haley. So today we'll be making slime. So this is what you'll be needing to make slime. A bowl or a container. I just got a bowl. A spoon or like a stick. You don't have to, but you need like something to mix with. You can pick one. And you'll need Tide and also Elmer's glue. So yeah. So the first thing you want to do is get your lid off the Elmer's glue real quick. Elmer's glue. Okay. You want it to sit there. Then you want to open the Tide thing. Okay, I'm gonna do that in 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna just take the lid off. So next thing you want to do, the first one you want to pour in is glue. And if you want to do a lot, just do the whole bottle. If you want to do tiny, just do half of the bottle. So this is my second time making slime. So yeah. So you need Elmer's glue and Tide. And okay, let's go. So you want to have half of the bottle. Show you guys. Oh, that's good. I'm not making a lot anyways. And you're done with the glue. So you can just put it away or leave it off to the side. So you just want to mix it real quick. There's no air bubbles. Okay, just want to put it there for now. Then you want to take some Tide. Pour it into your little cubby thing right there. Then you want to add it. You want to do a little at a time. So it's going to come together as soon as you put a little bit in. Just going to mix it. You want to mix it more, put more. You might want to put lots. It's just because I have to put a lot in there. So I just want to keep mixing it. I'm just going to keep mine normally the color blue because the Tide is blue. Just want to keep mixing it. So it's going to be like slime. You guys can add any color. You can put glitter in it. I might actually put glitter in it right now. Red glitter. But ew. Gross. Okay, you want to put it in. The best place to go for this stuff, for the Tide and all the glue, is Dollar Store. That's where I want all the stuff and all the paint. So yeah, I got all my stuff from there. I get all my stuff from there. It's just a good place to go. I think it's a really good place to go for to get your slime stuff. Can you guys please like this video, put thumbs up, and subscribe? And in the comments, can you help me, because I really don't know how to make, make it not stick. I don't know how to do that. I'm really new to slime. I've been watching slime for a long time, but I just don't know how to figure this out. Do I need ice solution? Please comment down there. How to, like, do I need ice solution? Or do I... It doesn't look like slime, right? So I'm gonna add a little more. Maybe a lot more. Okay, now it looks like slime again. Let me show you guys. I don't think this looks like slime anymore. It just like looks really bad. But it looks pretty good. Okay. I don't know, but I make more of these videos, like lots of times, because I really love slime. It's like my favorite thing. So I might even make fluffy slime. Who knows? But I think I'm going to make some fluffy slime soon. Even today I don't know. I might make another video today. But, so, that's the only thing you need. If you want to do it green, just get a marker pen. I might try that right now. Okay. That's what it looks like for me. Like, I really don't know how to make it not stick. Like, I tried the best. Like, I even watched videos earlier because I made slime earlier. And I still don't know how to make it not stick. Okay, bye guys.